Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Meenakshi Innovative Ideas. This is the portfolio for Foundation Literacy and Numeracy. This is the portfolio activity. We should follow these instructions to make portfolio activity. Try to develop a strategy plan and a poster for the involvement of different stakeholders in the development of FLN. FLN means here Foundation Literacy and Numeracy. Identify areas where you can involve different stakeholders and identify the roles they'll play and volunteer in the achievement of FLN. Draw posters to motivate them. Write the following details while planning. We should follow these instructions while planning poster or preparing poster. Aim, which stakeholder, area of involvement, plan of action, resources required, time. This is my preparation. This is my own preparation. I hope you like it. If there is any mistakes, kindly excuse. Foundation Literacy and Numeracy portfolio activity. It's a model of my own vision. Literacy is not only ability to read and write but about overall development. Aims of FLN are reading is comprehension, listening and speaking with comprehension, writing for various purposes. These are the aims of foundation literacy. And foundation numeracy aims are competent in counting, understanding about numberness, development of mathematical thinking. These are the foundation numeracy aims and these are the foundation literacy aims. Stakeholders partnership and aim. Stakeholders partnership should be motivated, confident, determined, organized, accountability, cooperative, responsible, inspiring, courageous, transparency, etc. Stakeholder play key role in the achievement of FLN. Community and parents, volunteers and private schools, those have important role in the implementation of FLN. Public libraries will be made an integral part of the teaching learning and will be made available after the school hours to the community and particularly to parents. Resources required are library by schools, by communities, setting up of school and public libraries in remote areas. Digital libraries like Diksha e-Pathshala. Workbooks and activity material like learning kit, play-based material. National book promotion policy to ensure the availability, quality and readership of books. The foundation literacy and numeracy. Aim, every child should achieve the desired learning competencies in reading, writing and numeracy at the end of class 3rd and not later than class 5th. Community, parents, volunteers and private schools are stakeholders. Area of involvement, library. Plan of action is reading for joy, story maps, retelling, visualizing. The process of comprehension is both interactive and strategic. Questioning and answering about a text is another strategy that helps students focus on the meaning of text. These are plan of action. Resources required, library, e-Pathshala, play-based material, PE tutoring, etc. Time, we can use library hours, but every time we use to read and comprehend. This is the portfolio activity which I have prepared. I hope you like it. If there are any mistakes kindly excuse. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you for watching.